friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to set screen time limits on TikTok. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So first of all, open your TikTok profile and tap on this 3-line icon to the right hand corner of the screen and tap on settings and privacy. Scroll down and tap on Digital Wellbeing and tap on daily screen time. Tap on daily time and you can select a time: 40 minutes, 60 minutes, 90 minutes and 120 minutes. So select any time from here and tap on back and tap on turn on. To use this feature, you need to set a passcode. So enter here a 4-digit passcode. Tap on next, and to confirm your passcode, retype the passcode and tap on set. And here you can see I successfully turned on my daily screen time. And to turn off the feature, you can tap on turn off. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.